everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. Well, you all know we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to introduce those projects in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm going to share a project and that is a great project. You can invest in it to get a good return in coming days. So let's move to our site. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so this is our website for today. It's Seismic CB. Welcome to Seismic CB, mainstream cryptocurrency for Africa. So the story behind Seismic CB is that Seismic CB recognized the need and use for a mainstream cryptocurrency in South Africa and Africa. The need to receive and spend money from your mobile or desktop instantly across the country. Currently, if real-time payment is not used by the bank you are receiving money from, you can wait up to 3 days before the money reflects in your account. Fees of real-time payments can be as much as ZAR 65 or $4.5. Alternatively, instant money transfer require you to drive or walk to a ATM machine. Many people in South Africa and Africa don't own cards, so for them, for this problem, what they thought is that Seismic CB aims to provide a payment system to employers, friends, and family to transfer and send money to anyone in the country instantly and have it available to use right away. So how will they work? How will Seismic CB do this? Seismic CB, being a Binance Smart Chain crypto token in nature, has three distinct layers or subdivisions as part of our roadmap. Number one is that investment into the initial payment token. Number second is investment into the seismic public company. And the third one is various payment solution offerings, including point of sale, payment solutions to fiat banks, cash exchanges solution, and Visa debit card offerings. All right, so what is the investment potential? The total market targeted by Seismic CB is in excess of $500 million per year for the initial market segments. Through the unique offerings and use by Seismic CB, we offer excellent prospect to be a X1000 token within coming months and year. Stay tuned for more information as the roadmap is defined and further developed. Then we have their social channels like WhatsApp, Facebook is coming soon, and then we have their Twitter, Telegram. So you must have to join the Telegram community to stay updated about the project details and to get in touch with the team and to get in touch with the investors as well. And then we have Twitter, you can follow them on Twitter as well. You can buy their token from PooCoin. Let's check it out. You can check their chart from PooCoin, their price, their current price is 0.000150390. Then the market cap they have just launched, and you can see that their market cap is growing, increasing daily. So this is the good time you can buy Seismic CB token, and you can go for holding it to get a good return in coming days as soon as the price will increase. So you will get the increase of your amount of calls. Okay, so we have Seismic CB on BSC scan as well. You can check it out from here. We have the official contract address, then the value, the transactions. We have the transactions on PooCoin as well, and then on BSC scan you can see the recent transaction, the approved one, and the one that is still in pending. So you can check it out all from BSC scan and PooCoin. Let's get back to your website. We have the official details like the contract address. You can get this address from here, and then the total supply 100 million. Nothing is burned and held by team is 3%. So we have Seismic CB tokenomics. Total supply is 100 million, sorry, and for marketing and development fee is 5%, liquidity 4%. Liquidity lock will be decided by LP tokens will be burned, and the maximum token tax is 10%. That won't be increased, and redistribution and burn will be determined from community when needed. So we have the roadmap to Seismic CB, and the roadmap of Seismic CB is displayed below. Please note that a lot of exciting news and features will be announced as the roadmap milestones are reached. Achieved milestones are in green, so we know what they have already reached and what they will be doing in future to get this project on high level. So the quarter 4 2021 they started by deploying by BSC contract, then launch of initial website and token fair launch 20 September 2021. And now what they are achieving is for they want to reach 500 holders, first burn or redistribution based on community vote, then initial app development. Later on, they will be doing registered publicly owned company IPO through Seismic Share Token for company ownership, and then 20% shares of public company redistributed to holders of Seismic Token. Reach 500,000 holders, deployment of app, tech trick audit, listing on additional exchanges, second burn or redistribution based on community vote. Then quarter 2 2022, they will be launching website version 2, then opening Seismic Exchange, first real world payment solutions, receive and make payments locally in South Africa. Then reach 10,000 holders, deployment of advanced feature which app, third burn or redistribution that will be based on community votes. And then mass local drive for adoption as use token, mainstream payment methods, supporting services for payments, reach 100,000 holders including locally. Investment instruments, payment of first crypto dividends to shareholders, issue of Seismic CBU Visa signature debit card. So this is the roadmap. You can see the one which is in green has been done, and they are planning to achieve all these targets to get this project on high level. They will be doing really well. They are still doing really well for their investors and for their community to benefit them a lot. So you can go for this project. Then we have details to their team members like their founder, CEO, and more. They will be uploading team members' details. So then we'll be able to check that from their website. We have link to their Telegram and WhatsApp as well if you have any type of query or if you want to get in touch with them. So you can directly contact them. And if yes, I'll provide the link of Telegram in my description. You can join the Telegram community. So you will be notified about the update, and you can get in touch with the team, the investors, and you will have better vision about the project. So it's better to join the Telegram community as well. I'll provide all the links in my description. So this was our website for today. You can go through the website, you can check the project by yourself, do your own research, and if you're satisfied, so you can invest in it. As you know that they're working to make it easy for the people of Africa and South Africa to do transaction. They're working to make payment terms easy for them, and you can do your own research, go through the website and check it out by yourself, and if you are satisfied, so invest in it. I hope you like the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.